here, yes.
Okay, here's the upstairs. Here, I'll actually start from walking up. Okay, so you walk up.
I'm upstairs, the realtor is downstairs.
Here's the bathroom.
Okay, I will. Okay. Bye. Take some notes, she says. Take some
Yeah,
notes.
see everything to do a video and keep narrating the video.
Fan. And then the little nook area, which has little built-ins. And that's on both sides. And then the closet.